Hello, this is Mrs. Durant, and I will be teaching the algebra course this year. What I wanted to do is just share a few key components of the syllabus. Um, the best way the best way to contact me is probably through my email, which is durant@wy.k12.mi.us. But I have several other ways to communicate. One would be by following me on Twitter. My handle is Mr. Durant. Another way is to use the Remind 101 application. This is the phone number 469-275-4116, and in the you would send the text to at Mr. Durant. I'll explain this during the first day of class. Another thing I'm using this year is this 734 number right here, this 288-8549 is a Google Voice number, so you can contact me at any time with homework help or logging into the Moodle website, which is given right here, or trying to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which you'll see this youtube.com/Mr. Durant RHS will be where you're going to be spending a lot of time watching the videos, and doing the homework would be found on the Moodle, and links will be provided both ways. So the course description says, in this course you will study the fundamentals of algebra and how it may be applied to your life. We will study these topics such as modeling and solving equations, proportions, inequalities, linear functions, linear systems, and quadratic equations. We're going to be doing this through lectures, class discussions, hands-on classroom activities, projects, student notes, participation, and the internet. Now, a few things that you need for the course: you're going to need a spiral-bound notebook, a folder with pockets, like with the tangs on the side, something that they could put hole punch papers in, a pencil or pen, and a TI-30 scientific calculator. You can get them at Target, Walgreens, Kmart, around 12, $13. The TI-30 X2S solar power would be the best one. A graphing calculator is not required, but it is beneficial to later on in the upper level math classes. Talk about the rules. Real simple rules. I have three of them. The first one is respect. Basically, just treat other people how you like to be treated. You want to be polite, considerate, and well mannered. You need to have respect for teachers. This includes their property, yourselves, and basically everyone else. Rule number two: don't touch anything on my desk, walls, shelves, etc. without permission. And rule number three: do not waste our time. Now, as far as classroom procedures, no food or drink is allowed in the classroom. The only acceptable beverage is water. So you come into class with flavored water, Gatorade, whatnot. I may ask you to put it away, or I may ask you to put it on my desk. Cell phones are to be turned off, not on vibrate. Cell phones are permitted before and after school and during passing time, or when used for educational purposes. I tend to use cell phones, iPads, that sort of thing, as a educational tool. So not every day we'll be using them, but you'll be fully aware when and when you cannot use it. No electronic devices are permitted in the classroom. This would be video game systems, DSs, etc. You need to be in the classroom before the bell rings. You are considered late if you are 1 second, 10 seconds, or 10 minutes late. So please try to be on time. Um, Please try to bring everything you need to class um, every day. The way that I'll be grading you would be threefold. Your notes and folders, 20% of your grade. Your homework, classwork is going to be, including Moodle, be 40%, and any sort of projects, hands-on activities, etc., will also be 40%. Now, if you are absent, it is your responsibility for getting the assignments, and you have 2 days from the date you return in order to get it in on time. Basically, I want to talk about the class structure. Every student will have to have a folder or notebook that will be collected at various times throughout the semester. All your work goes into the folder. In the case of a grade discrepancy, if a student does not have the grade assignment in question in their binder, then the grade recorded in the grade book will stand. Students are encouraged to participate and are encouraged to ask questions and make appropriate comments on topics discussed. Usually, tests are given once at the end of each chapter, and they are multiple choice. You can use an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper for reference. Okay. Throughout the course, there will be in-class activities and projects that are the same as a test grade. If you don't start the projects early, you will not be able to finish them. Usually, I give at least one class period to finish the projects. Oh, one more thing about the test is that you'll be able to do test corrections for half credit. More of this will be discussed in class. Finally, online homework is a requirement for this course, and students are expected to have access to a computer with the internet. Now, the LMC is open before and after school for your convenience. We'll be flipping portions of this course. This is why the internet is vital. Hopefully, this answers any questions or concerns. I look forward to working with all of you this year, and may the force be with you.